How to register WeChat without scan QR code. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WeChat on your device. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Sign Up at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on Sign Up at the right corner of your screen, click on Sign Up via mobile. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, add your name, your country, then phone number, and then add your password. Click on the tick mark at the bottom and click on Accept and Continue. After you click on Accept and Continue, in here, simply scroll down and click on I have read, and then press on Next. Then press on Start for security verification. Complete all this CAPTCHA. After you've completed the CAPTCHA, press on OK and you will be registered in WeChat. This is how to register WeChat without scanning QR code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.